Hey guys, what's up? This is Eartha coming to you live on my wall. I am at the swimming pool and Chanji's taking swimming lessons, so I'm just gonna jump on here and share a quick thought with you guys. Something really interesting. My husband and I had been really talking a lot. Well, it was mostly me. I was talking with him. I have this feeling of just like, you know, I've been listening to all this music and just what's going on, and just like kind of the overall tone of this generation is feeling lost and overwhelmed, and kind of like there's no purpose or hope, or like you're telling me everything is supposed to be easy. I'm supposed to be able to do anything I want online, but then how, right? There's all these motivational speakers like that pump you up, right? And they leave you hyped. Like I follow Gary Vaynerchuk, so he's one of those that it's amazing. He's amazing. I'm not even gonna like say anything bad, but what I'm saying is when it finally comes down to like after the yeah, right? It comes down to like, now what? Okay, now what? And let me address what I called this. You know, people are saying there's so much opportunity online, but like how? Now what do I do? Okay, you've got me good. I see the opportunity, Eartha. I know what all these other motivational speakers are saying, but like now what? What do I do? I mean, what do I go like sell stuff on Etsy? I mean, like what do I do? So, you know, here's the deal. You can okay, let me just first break it down, then we'll do the how. I'm not going to leave you hanging, okay? I promise. So what's available out there? Anything you want to do. Anything. If you have an idea, if you want to paint, if you want to make things, if you want to sell, you know, from a direct seller, whatever you want to do, if you want to write a book, it's up to you. You can make it happen. Well, how? It's like, stop telling me all these things and just leaving me hanging. Okay, so here's the deal. You have to read personal development books. And as simple as it sounds, that's the answer. Once you start reading, you're going to start seeing that your mind opens up, your thought process opens up. If you're just sitting here like, I have this idea and I need to make money, or I need to make money and I don't have any idea, you first need to understand what the internet is and how to use it for yourself. It's not like, oh, I know what the internet is, Eartha. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the internet being the bridge between you and actual people. These are real people. And everyone's on their phone, everyone's online. So how do you bridge the gap between me being a person here and reaching people out there for my business? You know, what do I have to do? Something clever? Do I have to hire fancy videographers? What do I have to do? You don't have to do any of that. What you have to do is understand what it means to have a business online and how to reach people. So let's just go to personal development books. There's a great book that I highly recommend starting with. If you guys jump over to Amazon, I like to have books in my hand because I like to mark things off, but you can go on your Kindle or wherever you want to read it. But there's a book called Get Over Your Damn Self, and Romy, I forget her last name, but it's Get Over Your Damn Self. If you look up the title, you'll see it. Now the title is going to fool you because it's going to seem like, oh, get over your damn self, really, Eartha? That's just, I don't need somebody to like spank me. You know, I don't need that. I'm already feeling kind of down. I want direction. Well, I feel like that title should have been something else for her book, because it's not an emotional or mental spanking. It's actually direction, and it's one of the best personal self-development books I've read, that really is just like right on point. Like, you don't have to go through a bunch of shenanigans and people storytelling, and it's like, I like to get right to the point, and this book, Get Over Your Damn Self, really is. It's a great starting point, you guys, especially I'm talking about like millennials who, you guys, you need to make money. You're at the age where you need to make money, but a regular job doesn't pay everything. It really doesn't. Every home is a 2 or more income home, whether it's with roommates or a spouse or people just living together. Like, 2 incomes are what you need to survive, unless you have a side gig. So maybe you're more comfortable having a job where you get a paycheck and you're told what to do, you feel good, you don't have to like invent anything, you just go do your thing, get paid. Right, but you need a side gig, you need one. If you're gonna secure your future, have any kind of future at all for yourself, or leave a legacy for your kids, and not have a life of just stress and hopelessness, you need to have a side gig. You must, or maybe it becomes your main gig. But this is how you do it. First, you have to understand what it is you're doing. You're reaching people through the internet. So when you think of like, I want to be a YouTuber, and you think about how to hashtag, well, you don't just hashtag everything. You think about what people are looking for on YouTube. Like, if I'm going to do a makeup video, I'm going to hashtag how to do makeup. Makeup 101, makeup for beginners, makeup to look younger. Because if I'm going to go to YouTube, I'm going to search makeup for a hooded eye. How do I do a makeup for a hooded eye? So that's how I'm going to title my video too, as a person searching for it. Okay, cool. So let's go to like Amazon. Say you want to be an affiliate of Amazon and you're writing blogs and you're just like linking products. You just go look up the product, learn something about it, write about it, but it's how you write about it in an informational way. Okay, so if you're coming online and you're trying to like sell stuff, that's where people get all tripped up. You're not selling things, you're informing people. And people we all buy stuff based on information. Will this help me? Will this solve a problem? Will I enjoy it? Will it just make me happy, right? Is it just silly? So what you need to do is post information. It's the information that makes us choose what we're gonna buy and how we're going to connect with the seller. Okay, if there's any connection, like Amazon sellers, there's no connection. When you guys like say purchase makeup from me, we are so connected because I've chatted with you, you know, like I've probably color matched you. That means you showed me a picture, you know, like we've taken it a step farther than just like an Amazon kind of purchase, right? So that's how you have to understand the internet and how it works. Otherwise you're just going to be spinning your wheels and you're going to be so frustrated, and you're going to be like everybody around you that says like, yeah, you can do it, you can do it. Well, when you're struggling, they're nowhere to be found. You know what I mean? Or like when you're not doing it, it's like they disappear, and because like somehow you're not benefiting them, or it's not good. So you can actually get sucked into a hole, like a vacuum of that, and be so depressed and so bummed out and just go, screw it, I'm just gonna give up on that. But don't, okay? What you need to do is educate yourself, just like you would hone any other skill. Hone the skill of being an entrepreneur in the network marketing internet world. When you're doing something for yourself, you're an entrepreneur, okay? That's the difference between you working for somebody else, getting a paycheck for doing what their dream is, as opposed to you working for your own dream, okay? So whether you're getting paid yet or not, you're on the entrepreneur path, and that's the path of the future. So you guys, you know, big stores are closing all the time. They're going straight to online. Toys R Us just closed. You know, I mean, just like big retailers, you know, like what was that other one? I forget now. But anyway, there's tons of them. Stores in the mall. They actually tore down a whole mall over here, and they're going to turn it into like a Grove type place. So, I mean, everything's going online for purchases, and then we go out to enjoy like dinners and stuff like that. But like people don't really go shopping like they used to in person. They do it online. So people are spending the money. Now, how do you get people to spend the money with you? You share information, value, results. What does this benefit? Like if I'm going to talk about rose water, I'm going to talk about the benefits of rose water. I'm not going to go and hold mine and say mine is the ultimate godsend. You know, it's like, this is just the benefits of rose water, and that's what it is, whether it's mine or something else, but it's really beneficial, you know? So get rose water in your life. And then by me sharing information, and my link is in there, if that person decides to buy it from my site, we feel like I've been a source of information for them. So that's how you guys do that, okay? So if you're thinking you want to start a business, just start educating yourself. So start with that book, Get Over Your Damn Self. It's really great. It's a great start. It helps you with your thinking, with your thought processes, and your thought processes become your words become your actions. And so start here, start educating here, okay? And you're gonna feel that sense of like empowerment. The haze will go away. You'll be like, I'm seeing this clearly now. I'm seeing what I could do now. You know, so this is pretty cool. I can do this, you know? And again, if you guys want to do what I do, just hit me up. It's awesome. It's online. I don't do meetups in person because I've got a family and a life, and I really don't have time. You know, my life doesn't support that right now. So anyway, if you're like me and you just want a side gig or a full-time thing, talk to me. Let's see if what I do is right for you. If not, that's fine. Let's at least talk about business ideas, because there's no reason for you to be struggling in this day we live in financially, you know, with having no purpose. Like everybody has to have that purpose and that passion fulfilled in their life, and you can have that. I promise you can have that. So if you're a millennial and you're just like kind of lost in the haze, you know, start with that. Start with really diving into personal development. Again, Get Over Your Damn Self by Romy, I forget her last name, is a great start, and Amazon will automatically link you to similar books. So grab some, try to get in like 10 pages or more a day of reading, and sit there and read. It's good for you. It's good for your heart. It's good for your soul. It's good for your spirit, and it's good for your business. So let me stop and say hi to you guys, because I'm going to go. I'm usually really loud, but I'm at the swimming pool. So hi, Marianne. Hi, Kelly. Hey, Sensei Alex. How are you? Hi, Laura. Yeah, I'm at the pool, so I don't want to be all cray-cray. Hi, Helen. Hi, Mary. Hi, Beth. Hi Denise, thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Hi Sarah. Hi Shelly, what's up girl? Hi Orna. So, you know, let me just touch on real quick a quick story. You know, I have absolutely zero fear of starting any business because I've built my Zumba business. We built a gym, me and my husband. We've had our gym now for about 10 years. We've had to change locations about 3 times, and each time that meant rebuilding. I've had to rebuild my Zumba classes. And when we moved, it's just like I have no fear of building a business. I have absolute confidence in what I've learned, and it's because I just dove into personal development. It'll help you in every area, just personally too, and how you see other people. And it'll help you feel connected to other people. Because it's so funny, because we're all on our phones trying to connect, but nobody like makes eye contact for real. Isn't that crazy? It's just, it trips me out. Just that whole idea just trips me out. So it'll help you make money, you guys, online, and connect with people and feel fulfilled, you guys. Again, I'm really referring to a lot of millennials that I know, and just in our society, it's like this whole generation is coming up in this haze. You know what I mean? It's like this haze. It's like it'd be like a mega Costco, and you just walk in and you're just like, where do I even start? You know, I just need broccoli. You know what I mean? It's like, so here's these kids, like, I just need to make money, dude. Like, I don't even know anymore. And so that's how. Start with diving into personal development. Again, I'm not affiliated with this book thing. I highly recommend it. That's all for you, okay? Jump over to Amazon. Go get Over Your Damn Self by Romy somebody. And dive in. You can do it. I promise. It's worth it. I promise. You don't have to feel lost. You don't have to feel like you don't have a purpose. You can actually get paid for doing something you love instead of working and putting in time and trading time for dollars and just feeling overwhelmed, unhappy, purposeless, like living for the moment. Like, you know, there's bigger things to live for. And you'll feel so proud of yourself when everything you have, you've earned. It's a good feeling. So you guys take care. Have a great night. I will talk to you later. Bye.